Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Josy. I'm a pharmacist. On this channel, we talk about everything simple living through Jesus, health and finances. My shout out go to all my subscribers. If you are new here, thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you wouldn't miss any video from me. In today's video, we're going to stuff our cash envelopes. This video is my favorite part when it comes to budgeting and finance. It has really make me spend less, and I'm so glad I'm doing this video. So thanks for watching, and let's get started. Normally when I do my budget for my first paycheck, I make sure I put all the ones that I'm going to put in the envelope on this paycheck. So that's what I have the envelope sign here, as you can see. And today I'll go ahead and open up my bag. This is my bag. I put my envelopes. I got the envelope from Clever Falls. I'll try and leave the link below so that in case you want some, you can go there. So these are my envelope. I'll go ahead and empty them so that I'll know how much money I have for my leftover. I'm always glad when I have some leftovers. That's the beauty of doing cash envelopes. So these are my envelopes. This is my leftover envelope. I still have money in there. And I've decided that any money that is left is going to go into my student loan. I'm so mad with my student loan. I'm trying to pay it off. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link in the description below when I talk about my student loan, how much I own. Yeah, I'm going to put every dime, every dollar to my student loan. So let's see how much I have. In my toiletries, I didn't spend anything this month, so I'll go ahead and put it on the side. For clothing, I put in $20. I was still living there. For clothing, I'm rolling over, so that one I wouldn't take it out. For my savings, I have $50. I will take it out. Oh, this is my favorite one for the food and grocery. I didn't spend everything this month. I'm in the house, so I'm cooking a lot and I'm trying to save. So I still have money for my cooking. Yeah, I have a lot. I'm so glad that I have money in my cooking envelope. For my Christmas envelope, I'm rolling over, so I wouldn't take it out. And this is for the turtle and the fish. I realized that their food are going to be more expensive when I check the price, so I wouldn't take it out. I'm going to roll over. My pocket money, I spend my pocket money on something. For baby stuff, I still have some money left, which I'm going to take it out. For Sam's Club, I still have money left. I'm taking it out. For Kwame, I know I don't have anything. For gas, yes, I have $20 left. So I'm taking that one out. So I'll go ahead and count how much I save for this month from leftover. And all of it is going to go into my student loan. So glad that I have some money to pay my student loan. So let's go ahead and count it. Trying to arrange them. $5. Let's go here. See how much I save. This is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 150. 1, 2, 3. 150. No, I didn't count it well. Let's go ahead and count it again. Let's see. So this is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 150. 1, 2, 3. 150 plus 60. 210. 220. 230. 240. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 249. Almost 250. And I'm going to put it towards my student loan. So I'll add it to my leftover envelope, which I have some in there. So all this will go into my student loan. I'm so glad I have money. So let me arrange them. Yes. So I'll put it back in my leftover. I was going to keep them, but I'm going to put it towards my student loan. I'm so mad with that loan. So now let's go ahead and start the cash envelope for today. I'll put aside this one. So normally when I go to the bank, when I go, I divide them for the cashier. And this is how I divide them. So they put it in the envelope for me. So my cash envelope, yeah, I don't have anything, put it aside. The money I'm using for my cash envelope is this, and it's 780. So that's it. So I'll go ahead and group them. This is hundreds, 50s, 20s, 10s, then ones. So these are the money. I just want to arrange them nicely. Yeah, and these are my envelopes. So I'll put them here. So these are my cash. I've arranged them nicely. So I'll go ahead and start them. And I normally write it down how I want the division to go. So I'll put that one aside. This month's envelope, it gets only $40. So I'll go ahead and give it 2 of the 20s. So I'll put it in. And this is my pocket money. It gets $50. I'll go and give 150. One of the 50s. I'll put it. This is food and grocery. It gets $300. So I'll go ahead and give 3 of the hundreds. And that one going into food. This is my gas. Gas gets $50. I'm in the house. We are not really going anywhere. You get $50, so I'll give it one of the 50s. This is my saving. My saving gets $50, so I'll go ahead and give it one of the 50s. This is for Kwame, my son. He gets $50. But I normally do one of the 10s, 10 of the ones, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I will do one of the 10s, so you make it $20. One of the 20s, then one more of the 10 to be $50. So 2 of the 10s, one of the 1's 10s, 2 10s, and 20. So it makes it $50. So 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $50 for my son, Kwame. Then for my toiletries get $30. So I'll go ahead and do one of the 20s and one of the 10s. And last month we didn't spend it, so hopefully this month I will not. Then this is for Sam's Club. That's where we buy most of our box stuff, and Sam's Club get $80. So I will do one of the 50s, then 3 of the 10s. So that will be $80. That one goes to Sam's Club. Then for clothing, I'm rolling over. Last month we didn't spend it, so I leave it in the envelope. And that one get $20. I'll add it. For baby stuff, that one get $100. It's very important. I have young ones. So that one for baby stuff, I will do I'll do 20s and I'll do 10s. So that will become 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 80, then 100. And that one goes into bigger stuff. Then for the turtle and the fish, they only get $10. I realize that their food is going to be more expensive, so I'll roll it over. So I left the last month, we didn't spend it, so I'll roll it over. So this is all my envelopes, and I really love stuff in my cash envelopes. They are so cute. For my Christmas gift, I want a new cash envelope. So I told my husband about it, and I think he's gonna get it for me. So I can't wait. Wallet. I love it. So these are all my cash envelopes. Yeah, so if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And there's more coming on the channel. Like I said, on this channel, we talk about everything simple living. So welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful you are here. Please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you wouldn't miss any of my video if you haven't done so yet. And God bless you, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.